Car insurance quote comparison pricing. Explain what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think comparing car insurance rates is tedious or costs extra. The surprising truth is that online comparison tools often provide instant quotes for free, letting you find the best coverage at the lowest price in minutes. Basic platforms are free and allow you to enter your vehicle, driving history, and coverage needs to generate multiple quotes instantly. Premium tools costing per month may include personalized recommendations, alerts for discounts, and side-by-side comparisons of coverage options. For example, a free tool can show 5 insurers' rates in seconds, while a monthly platform may analyze deductibles, liability limits, and perks to identify the most cost-effective option. Many users save hundreds annually while ensuring they have appropriate coverage. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on premiums. The best tools consider total costs, policy features, and insurer reliability, helping you choose a plan that meets your needs without sacrificing protection. In conclusion, car insurance quote comparison tools are fast, affordable way to find the best coverage. Whether free or subscription-based, they simplify decision-making, highlight savings opportunities, and protect you from overpaying.